Welcome to the Household Chef, and tonight we're going to make a kid favorite, family favorite, Mexican Haystacks. So basically Mexican Haystack is your favorite nacho cheese chips. We're going to crush them and use them as the base of the salad. Then we'll add our taco meat, and then we'll build a salad however you like. I've got lettuce here, cheese of course, tomatoes, onions, and some green onions to top. And my favorite, and the kids' favorite, was Thousand Island dressing to top. First thing we're going to do is brown the ground beef. I have a pound of ground beef here. And I'm always going to season it with a little bit of garlic and onions that I've minced up. And then we'll put the, once it's almost browned, we'll add the taco seasoning. This is just a store-bought packet, 1 ounce packet. And we'll mix that with water as we make the sauce. I'm heating up a cast iron skillet here on a medium to high heat with just a little bit of oil, maybe half a tablespoon of olive oil. And you know it's ready to start using when a little piece of onion will start to sizzle. What we're going to do is just cook some onions and garlic. We're going to cook it till it's fragrant and translucent in just a couple minutes. So now it's time to add the ground beef, and I season this with a little bit of salt and pepper. And I like to add it just a little bit at a time. Helps it to cook more evenly and also keep it all minced up. We'll continue to chop up the ground beef till it's a nice mince and brown. Blending it nicely with the onions and the garlic. I used 80-20 ground beef here. And what I'm going to do when before we put in the taco seasoning, I'm going to drain out the excess fat. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the seasoning and then we'll add some water. So it's not quite, we don't have quite as much fat content. So you can see I've removed most of the excess fat here, so now it's time to add the taco seasoning. Like I said, I just used a store-bought pack, 1 ounce pack. I'll just sprinkle that all over. And the quick and easy way to add the right amount of water is I just fill the packet up with water, tap water, and then just sprinkle it all around. And we'll finish up our sauce. I bring it up to a simmer, and I just keep stirring and chopping, incorporating all the wonderful flavor of the taco seasoning. We just let this simmer for about 5 minutes. It'll thicken the sauce. Now we're ready to build the haystacks. It's also a good time to taste and season. Although the taco seasoning is quite salty, but this is a good opportunity to give a quick check, see if it needs any more pepper or salt. This is where you can have a lot of fun with it. I just build the base with the nacho chips. And basically what I do is I hand crush them. And we'll add a little bit of the taco meat. And this 1 pound should serve 4 people easily. And this is where you can get creative and the kids can just choose how they want to build it themselves. I typically put a little bit of cheese on top, and then I'll do a little bit of onion. And then I'll do my lettuce, tomato, a little more cheese, and a little Thousand Island. And a little green onion to garnish. Like I said, these are fun. You can build them any way you want. Have kids have fun with it. It's a nice, healthy taco salad. We called them Mexican Haystacks. My kids' favorite growing up, still their favorite today. My son, when he was in college, would go to the cafeteria and build his own Mexican Haystacks there. So anyway, please give this a try and enjoy.